This marking period, my group, the Red Team, decided to focus our time on continuing our work on a prototype of a low-cost prosthetic leg designated for use in the bath and shower. Our product had to maintain the same attributes as the last model, especially regarding overall strength and structural stability. Our primary client remained to be Mr. Runyon, a social studies teacher at Concord High School, who was essential to providing feedback throughout our design process. Because of our testing within the first marking period, we were able to get a head start on applying the required changes in the product to our new model. We came up with a design that was mainly focused upon a wide base-like foot, a dual-shaft body structure, and a custom-fitted socket for the residual limb lined with rubber. After sketching out our basic design, we went on to prepare for constructing the model within Onshape. The socket for the residual limb was an integral part of our design, as it had to provide a heightened sense of comfort for the user. Based on measurements of Mr. Runyon's residual limb, we chose to construct this apparatus out of a 6-inch diameter PVC coupling, which was then sanded down and lined with hydrophobic rubber. The main body of the prosthetic leg was simply composed of two 24-inch long, 1.25-inch diameter PVC pipes, with male and female filleted PVC couplings attached to the lower ends to connect with the foot base. The foot was designed within Onshape and cut out of 0.75-inch plywood with the shop bot. It was originally cut out into multiple different pieces, which were then attached atop of one another. The overall structure of the foot would allow for side-to-side and frontwards and backwards movement by our client, which was something our previous model failed to accomplish. After attaching all the pieces of our model with epoxy as well as PVC fittings, we moved towards our testing phase. Mr. Runyon was incredibly pleased with the model and was even able to use it without any further extra support. He largely praised the residual limb socket as he found it to be incredibly comfortable. This feedback essentially enabled us to obtain the information we need to move into the final phase of our product next marking period, in which we plan to construct a fully functional model composed of industrial-grade materials.
This will never work.